Hello everyone, today I would like to tell you how to use edge blend. So for examples, let's hit the sketch and then go into one plane. At that plane, I just draw a rectangle, just trying to extrude this rectangle with some distance. Let's give it 130 and hit it apply. Next, you will go into the edge blend. You could also go into a menu and then insert in a detail features that has edge blend, right? So let's hit it edge blend, and then in here is blend face continually. It has two options. One is G1, one is G2. G2 is more sharp than a G1. So basically, normally, let's just keep a G1 tangent. So next we need to select the edge. So we selected the one edge on this object. Default is 50. Let's just change to 10. So more smaller radius. And we could also add the new set in here. So we could give it 20. And then we hit the different edges on this object. Let's hit it somewhere else. And then it's refresh to give it double size of this first radius. Let's add it a new set. This time I give a 50 to this edge, and then you click somewhere else. It could refresh the real radius of the three edges. And then you could find actually in here this surface not connected very smoothly. That has a ways to make it more smoothly than before. So let's go into the corner, set back, and then selected this, and then you need to hit this corner, and then it's do the radius of the three edge together with a different way. Okay, so let's hit it apply. So we could got this radius here. And next, if you go into the edge blend, you could got a face blend. Okay, this is the three defined faces chain, this tab. And if we're going to firstly two defining faces chain, and we need selected the first face, and then we could select the second chain face. Sorry, it needs to change to this and then select a second one. The default is 5. If you're not satisfied with this, let's just change to a 10. So you could got a bigger radius here. Let's hit it apply. So for example, I also do a sketch on this plane, and I draw rectangles and trying to extrude this rectangle. Let's hit it apply. And this time I'm going to also a face blend. And this time I change to a three defining faces chain. And we give the first face chain, and we selected the second face chain. We need to select this opposite face. Sorry, we need to move chooses to here, and then select the second chain, and then we need to select the middle face or apply. So you could have got this the kind of really extremely blend in this corner. Let's hit it apply. And I forgot to tell you something in the edge blend. So here, let's first change to default is 10. And so here is a variable radius point. So let's first hit it at 10, and then we click the variable radius point. So specific new locations, let's hit it a place, and then we hit it this place. And for examples, this is arc length percentage. So I give it 20. and I hit it in here. So I give it 10 in here. You kind of got a variable radius on one edge, right? Let's hit it apply. So in here, if I select this edge and then I also clicked the point and let's hit to this point. At this moment, I change to arc length. So it's calculate not by percentage, it just calculate by arc length. So I could also change the positions. What I want to change to a 50, you could say this point just move the length, move the distance to another point. Okay, we could got a 30 here, so you could got a all the edges become radius into a 30. So let's hit it another one. Let's give it positions into 100 this time, and I give it the radius into a 5. So you could got these very dramatically changes on this edge. We could also use the mouse to drag point locations to where we want to give to. Let's hit it. Apply. Okay, and then here is a stop short corner. What is this? So for examples, I also choose the edges in here. You could say, because we have a radius already in here, so when we do the radius again, it's all the way down to this point. And there has a stop short of the corner. Let's select the point. It's calculated by arc length. So let's give an arc length into a 30. So you could say it's just a stop from the start point, and the distance is 30 millimeters. At this moment, this edge, we can't give a radius to this edge. We don't want to give in here, right? Let's hit it, apply. Okay, guys, today we just finished tutorial about the edge blend. So see you next class. If you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. Bye.